Next important scheme is Try Food scheme. It is a short scheme but very important scheme from prelims point of view. First important thing to remember, it is a joint initiative of Ministry of Food Processing, Ministry of Tribal Affairs and TriFed. You have to remember names of all these three institutions. It is Ministry of Food Processing, it is second one Ministry of Tribal Affairs, third one it is TriFed. What is the purpose of this scheme? It provides a value addition to minor forest produce as well as forest produce. We have established a value addition center at Jagdalpur in Chhattisgarh and at Raigad in Maharashtra. Remember these two names. I repeat once again, we have established value addition center. One is at Jagdalpur in Chhattisgarh and second one is Raigad in Maharashtra. The most important hotspot or what we can say highlight of this Tri-Food scheme, Tri-Food scheme is Mahua drink. Mahua is a special drink which is being made from Mahua flowers and which is a tribal drink, a very famous drink. They want to make it famous throughout the India and to give it more marketability. So I repeat once again, it is joint initiative. We have two value addition centers and its hotlight or its hotspot is Mahua drink, which they wants to have marketability. Now fifth important point is Friends of Tribes initiative. It is nothing but a simple scheme which is aimed at bringing more and more corporations funds, corporate social responsibilities for promoting livelihood and standard of living of tribal people. In this particular scheme, TriFed has tied up the CSR funds. CSR stands for corporate social responsibility. Under CSR, various companies donates huge sums of funds to various government programs. So here TriFed brings that CSR funds for promoting tribal livelihood. Now this is very important. Next scheme is a Go Tribal campaign. What it says, first thing, it is organized by TriFed, very important aspect. Second, its purpose is to create awareness and promote tribal arts and craft is its main purpose. Third, promotes economic welfare of the tribal people. Now what this scheme says, it says that whatever products that are being produced under a particular brand which is Tribal India brand, so product which are produced under Tribal India brand shall be available at various online outlets for sale under Amazon and Flipkart like online retailer. So its main purpose is to connect this Tribal India brand with rest of the India, with rest of the world. So again, TriFed is most important nodal agency for this Go Tribal campaign. Next one, very important scheme is a GOAL. GOAL stands for Going Online as Leaders Program. Very important initiative. Important, it is a digitally enabled mentorship initiative which is started by Facebook. So it is basically a scheme aimed at mentoring tribal youth. This initiative is started by Facebook. Its main purpose is to empower tribal youth to become leaders for tomorrow through various counseling, through mentorship, through guidance and through knowledge provision. It aims at identifying and mobilizing renowned people from industry, from education sector, from knowledge sector, from political sector and from motivational sector and other fields to digitally empower and personally mentor tribal youth from across the India so that they have this ability to become leaders of tomorrow's India. Is a scheme comes under Going Online as Leaders program. Very important scheme which is aimed at tribal youth. I repeat once again, it is aimed at tribal youth. Next very important scheme, it is a scheme of ashram schools. It comes under tribal sub plan areas. Basically this scheme has been discontinued from 2018-19 and has been subsumed under special central assistance. We will try to understand what this scheme says. So the name of this scheme is Scheme of Ashram Schools in Tribal Sub Plan Areas. Scheme of Ashram Schools in Tribal Sub Plan Areas. What it says, Its objective is to increase education among scheduled tribes and primitive tribal groups. So its purpose is to increase education among scheduled tribes and primitive tribal groups. Its feature, it is a centrally sponsored scheme. It works in tribal sub-plan areas. Second important dimension. Third important point, this scheme is demand driven. It is not a universal scheme. It is provided based on demand from a particular tribal area or from a tribal block or from a tribal sub-plan area, and its objective is to provide quality education at primary and secondary school level. Remember this thing, it is a centrally sponsored scheme, it is operational in tribal sub-plan areas, it is a demand driven scheme, and it provides education at the primary to secondary school level. Now it has two categorizations are there. First thing, it provides free ashram school, boys ashram schools and girls ashram school in Naxal affected district. Now these Naxal affected districts are identified by Ministry of Home Affairs. Now in these Naxal affected districts which are identified by Home Affairs Ministry, 100% assistance is given by Ministry of Tribal Affairs to construct boys ashram school and girls ashram school. But other than Naxal affected district, Ministry of Tribal Affairs shall provide 50% central assistance to establishment or construction of boys ashram school and girls ashram school. One important thing which you should remember from prelims point of view, this scheme covers only construction cost and no other cost is covered. I repeat once again, this scheme covers only construction cost, no other cost is covered. It shall be duty of respective state government, respective state ministry to make other necessary provisions. This scheme has been discontinued from 2018-19 and has been merged with the Special Central Assistance SCA, which is given to tribal sub-plan areas. One thing you have to remember is that Special Central Assistance which is given to tribal sub-plan areas get 100% assistance, complete 100% assistance is given under Special Central Assistance to tribal sub-plan areas. Next very important scheme, it is Pradhan Mantri Van Dhana Yojana. Remember this scheme, many a time these questions are also asked in prelims or also in interviewer. You have to put these things as a value addition in your maze. It is Pradhan Mantri Van Dhana Yojana. What it says, see what are the objectives of Pradhan Mantri Van Dhana Yojana. It focuses on skill upgradation. Second, it focuses on capacity building. Third, it focuses on training given to tribals for what? For processing of forest produce and value addition of the forest produce. Very important thing. So skill upgradation, capacity building, providing training, and also setting up of various primary processing and value addition facilities in tribal areas with an aim to improve livelihood and standard of living of the tribals is the main purpose. What are the features? It is basically a market linked tribal entrepreneurship development program where we want to create entrepreneurs out of tribals. It aims at establishing clusters of tribal SHGs and strengthening them into a tribal producer companies. See, first thing, it is tribal entrepreneurship program. Second, it is market linked. Third, it aims at establishing cluster of tribal self-help group. You must be aware about this concept, self-help group, and strengthening them into a tribal producer company. So remember these four very important point. First, this scheme is market linked. Second, it aims at entrepreneurship development program. Third, it establishes cluster or group of tribal self-help groups, and it aims at making them into a tribal producer companies. Here very important thing, under this scheme, TriFed, again once important, this is very important institution. TriFed will establish a multi-purpose Vanadhana Vikas Kendras. I repeat once again, tribal will establish a multi-purpose Vanadhana Vikas Kendras. Now, it shall be a cluster of minimum 10 self-help groups having 30 tribal minor forest produce gatherers each in every group. It means there shall be total 300 minor forest produce gatherers in single cluster. I repeat once again, there shall be minimum 300 tribal minor forest produce gatherers in each this particular cluster. We have proposed almost 300 such Vanadhana Vikas Kendras to be established in 2 years. First model of such Vanadhana Vikas Kendra has been established in Bijapur district of the Chhattisgarh. So I repeat once again, we want to establish a 300 such Vanadhana Vikas Kendras in next 2 years. First such Vanadhana Vikas Kendra has been established in the Bijapur district of the Chhattisgarh. Remember this thing, it is very important point from prelims point of view. Thank you very much. Keep watching the videos. Your feedbacks, your suggestions are all welcome, and keep sharing with your friends. We will be keeping you update about all these schemes in recent years. Thank you very much. Have a good day.